Remember that feeling when work and office trip takes you away from your family on festival days? Now imagine that you're alone, away from your loved ones and in a perpetually hostile environment. That's only a fraction of what life is like for our men and women at the country's borders. Manjeet Negi spent time with some such soldiers in Samba to get a feel of whether it dampens their spirit at all. Watch this.
As Pakistani snipers take aim, as their guns boom and their mortars inflict damage at the border, as the enemy uses every ploy to ambush and sneak in. India's heroes are standing guard at the border, pushing back the enemy at the gates. As the nation celebrates the Festival of Lights, these soldiers are on duty 24/7, securing our borders. India Today's Manjeet Negi reached Jammu's sensitive Samba sector that was under heavy Pakistani fire. We joined the BSF night patrol as Jawans marched for 2 to 3 hours to reach the forward post at the international border. Suddenly some activity is detected. Some scratching sounds break the stillness of the night. The company commander alerts his troops.
इस वक्त हम कैमरे की लाइट इसलिए जला पा रहे हैं क्योंकि फेंसिंग के दूसरी तरफ जो झाड़ियां हैं वो उसकी एक आड़ है और पाकिस्तानी सेना इस आड़ में नहीं देख पाती है। फेंसिंग के दूसरी तरफ भारतीय सेना इलाके को साफ रखती है, लेकिन पाकिस्तानी सेना इन्हीं झाड़ियों और सरकंडे, खासतौर से जो झाड़ियां हैं उसकी आड़ में घुसपैठ की कोशिश करती है।
As Pakistan plots to push in terrorists and as intelligence agencies smell a sinister conspiracy to launch a big terror spectacle during Diwali, which includes planting IED devices to target army camps, the international border is red hot and Indian troops are battle ready. Diwali is a promise to the country and their fellow Jawans martyred in enemy's treacherous strikes.
हम सब दुश्मन के इलाकों में नजर रखते हैं। कोई दुश्मन का मूवमेंट दिखाई देने पर अपना कमांड को बता देते हैं। दुश्मन फायर करेगा तो हम फायर का जवाब फायर से दे देते हैं।
Armed with assault rifles, brave smiles and a vow to protect their countrymen on their lips, this Diwali is about the victory of good over evil for these Jawans at the borders. Even as they light candles, they are ready to pound the enemy post.
हमारे 3 जवान जो शहीद हो गए हैं और हम अपने बॉर्डर पे अपनी दिवाली सही ढंग से ही मनाएंगे।
बना चुका है रात की वक्त।
As these brave hearts remain on duty, the Prime Minister's Sandesh to Soldiers initiative has brought festive cheer, fueled their pride and presented them with an instant connect with the countrymen they protect. There is no room for the smallest error. Every finger is on the trigger. Every eye alert to the slightest movement. In every heart, a secret promise to not let the martyrs' ultimate sacrifice go in vain.
वो उसकी हिफाजत करेगी।
These lights are a soldier's pledge to brutally batter the enemy and thwart their evil designs. Pakistan terror can try its best, but it won't be allowed to dampen India's Diwali.